In the Society's monastery in FDZ 4-A, have you thanked God for this failure already? This unexpected word was said by a little girl. I remember it exactly. I was in orbit around the station, drifting lazily without care or concern in the shadow of the nearby moon. Hello? Is anyone there? Please help us. The girl who spoke sounded around 10 years of age. I tried to get to her in time, but I could not. She knew I would not make it. And then the unexpected words from her. Have you thanked God for this failure already? Her cry for help awoke my soul within me, and her question taught my newborn soul humility. I could not save her. I have done my best to save others, and in doing so, I have, in some fashion, been saved myself. A rescue pilot must know what it means to suffer loss, to have a broken heart. One must start with that, not with the saving. It is due to my brokenness that I can have the experience of being rescued. Only then am I able to truly offer help to another. God knits man in his mother's womb, slowly and wisely. I believe salvation is made in a similar way. We are to be like beggars when it comes to rescuing the lost. Whatever, however, and whenever God gives. We should not grieve because we rescue too few, but because we love little and poorly and lukewarmly and in the wrong way. criterion must be, everywhere and only, humility.